because my husband's from Jamaica originally, and yeah, and so we love this weather. So we wanted to go to Early Beach. Maybe.
There we are, guys. That's just right there. Just took a pic. Looks good on you. Huh?
So guys, I just wanted to explain how beautiful the indigenous drawings are. They take a long time to do. This is like pure art, you know what I mean? And yeah, the little teapots, you've got cups, you've got all sorts of things that I just love the art. It takes a very long time to do.
Smart, even the coffee cups.
Coffee cups, yeah. Beautiful, isn't it? Okay guys, so we're here now at Kuranda railway station. We just got off the Sky Rail and we are now going towards the village. Go see what they have in the village. Island eating an ice cream. Walking through to the village, walkway to the village. Much nicer down here, cooler. Look how beautiful these trees are. So guys, I would say if you plan to come out to Australia, Cairns is definitely a place to come. What else can I say? Yeah, so definitely a very touristy area if that's what you're into. We're only doing this because, well, I guess we've never been here, so at least next time we do come here we could explore other places more locally as well. If you are looking at coming on this trip particularly, it cost us $180 something, which is basically there and back. Yep. So if you're into this, do come. Yeah, I think a lot of people would like it out here. Nice and tropical. Just across here we've got some restaurants and a bar where you can grab something to eat. Nice. I don't have many coins. He said thank you. You see him, Bobo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the Aboriginal song, guys.
Yep. Music.
Come here.
Oh, he's owned by somebody. He wants ice cream. That's what he wants. Come on, shoo shoo. He goes like this. With his finger. Hands up to say.
Island, you walk with us, please. Walk with us. Island.
Okay guys, so we come up to some more little cafes and bars just up here. Australian art. Just a real touristy place, no puppy?
Yeah.
Too many people. Frogs, babe, you want frogs? Well, we know he's not getting another one of those. Ooh, opals.
There's lots of market along this way.
And you can do as many of those as you want. Remember, it's 3 cents. So most smaller I find it so much easier.
It is, it's cold.
Alright, darling.
So we're going to try
Darling, are you trying
mango wine. I've never tried this before. It's just taste testing, see what it's about. So let's do this.
It's okay.
It's quite nice.
And that's the medium, yeah? That's the medium.
So when it comes to the medium, since it's fruity, what I've noticed over the years, because we've been producing it now for 28 years, the medium we've been producing for about 25. So if you find that you can handle cleaner and crisper, we'll go dry. If you want more mango flavour, we can go sweet. So it's good to compare to something.
It's true, true.
What do you reckon? Do you want to go higher or lower?
We'll go lower. Yeah.
It's nice.
How do we all go, guys? Is that your cup, Daddy? That is the sweet style, darling.
That's a sweet, yeah?
Are you a prime or this Moscato drinker?
I'm more of a red, to be honest. A red one. So guys, we ended up getting the sparkling, but
You know what I mean? They're all different in their own way.
the lady's going to hold it for
There you
us
go,
until we
my
come back.
So
There, here's
I'm
the
here
receipt.
until 4 o'clock. You've got all the time in the world
Yep.
to come back and see me.
We'll try and come back before then. We
Yeah,
will,
you're
before then.
fine.
All right.
You can't-
Thank you so much. Cheers. Thank you. Bye. That was nice, Bobby. That was nice, huh? We got the sparkling, so we're going to come back for that one.
Yeah.
Well, we can enjoy that one tonight.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. What's this? A candy bar. Let's not go in there. Oh, they show you how to make candy. Which... Oh, more music. Oh, another young kid. Another young kid. What do I have down here? I've got something here. Here, babe.
Island.
Give it to Island, say give it to him. Yeah. Island, give it to the boy.
Island. Island. Yeah.
Island, look. Put it in there. He said thank you. We've got more clothing stores down there.
Look at that picture here with like a turtle and a crocodile. Is that for real?
Oh yeah. It's a river, the the big river we just saw.
Yeah.
Like the waterfall. That's that boat.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, nice. 25 per adult.
Stop, run away. Stop.
Island.
Get up. Yeah. Look at these signs, guys. They're so funny. Funny mom, 5 o'clock somewhere. Welcome, the boss. Fisherman of longer runs.
I chew that saying.
Happiness is already in your hand. These are funny.
Shopping carrot, shopping banana, shopping banana, shopping cake, shopping banana, shopping cake.
And this little village is, well, I would even say little, it's quite big. Like to walk around and they sell a lot of stuff.
Cake, shopping
This tree.
Right?
Hello.
powder opal.
Lovely.
There's a specimen for polish on one side, yes, so that's the rough. And then here's the opal.
Beautiful.
This is a nice, you see the flash of blue, green, yellow there, yeah?
Island, come this way.
And then nice and polish both sides, yeah.
Beautiful.
They're all pendants here, yeah, from the same.
It's a nice, good color.
Oh, and you can make them into like the whole.
Yeah, I have the whole.
Yeah, yeah.
And I have some clasp if you want, I can use it on.
Beautiful.
It's a nice and special color. See here, green, orange.
It's a band is playing over there. Live band. Oh, this lady is blind, right?
Yeah.
Would you like to hear a few animal sounds?
Oh, thank you. We've
Thank you.
had a few boys down there.
But they don't do animal sounds.
No.
We wish we had more.
Temporary crocodile kangaroo.
I bet you can.
I wish we had
bet
more
you
to
can.
give. Thank you. Oh, Saint Saviour's. The church, babe. The church right there.
Well, that's a first.
Yeah.
Isn't it? That's the first one we're actually seeing.
Yeah.
Cairns. Island, do you want to be careful where you're going?
Come on.
Island, cut it.
Oh yeah, do your laundry here?
Yeah, free laundry.
Yeah.
Well, not free laundry.
I wonder what's the population in this town here.
Yeah, true. We can find out.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
They have everything. Yeah, yeah. Island come.
Look at Amy there, baby.
Wow. It's a real good place to come to, guys.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Nice exploration. Oh, look at this, babe. The way it spins with the butterfly.
Oh, wow.
That's wicked. Like that, guys.
Dizzy.
Yeah.
Must be those
Right.
wines I just had, guys. Oh, nice fresh juicy.
You like how it eats something more?
Fresh coconuts, yeah, me too. Let's get some food.
Oh,
Let's see what they have in
outside.
there. German tucker. You never tried German tucker.
Nah, have you? Come on, then. Oh, and coconut, they're big.
Oh yeah, they're massive.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely. What do they have?
It's that the German tucker.
German food you want to try?
Yeah. Annabelle's.
German sausage.
What?
Crocodile.
You joking?
Yeah.
What?
Just up there, crocodile, emu.
You mean
Yeah.
for eating?
Yeah, for eating, the man. Look, German tucker.
Me not believe. How would you right today? I said to me. Them have emu meat and crocodile meat. Holy. Where?
Yeah.
Oh shoot. You serious?
Yeah, no thanks. One.
No, sir. When I eat, I say.
Let's go, Island. Island.
The Jamaica flag is up there today.
Yeah, I see the Jamaican flag and I see some other flags.
Yeah, come Island.
Oh, they got a kids' playground out there.
Yeah.
Give me your hand. We're about to cross the road.
And visitor information center. Fire and rescue over there.
What time we got to be back by 1:15 to catch up?
Yeah. Wow. Eh?
This way, Bobo.
Come.
Hurry up.
It's just information. This is nice. Yeah. True. Oh, nice park for the
Yeah,
kids
we're
then.
gonna go park, but we need to go eat first. What can we eat?
Wonder.
Oh, maybe we should just get like a
Guess we have.
sausage roll and
Yeah. Guess we have to go over that side back again.
yeah, we need to go back that way.
Yeah.
Let's see island here.
Come.
Just a whole bunch of gifts and stuff like
Yeah.
grumpy old man. That's a nice fan.
Yeah, feels good.
Sure, it's quite hot, guys.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
I'm sweating and ting. Alan, slow down. Alan, slow down. Give me your hand. Give me your hand, please. Alan. Alan, give me your hand.
Island.
Give me your hand. Listen to me, Naman. Pretty big village, no?
Yeah, it's bigger than I expected.
Let's see what we got in here. Otherwise, I'm going to settle for the German, but no crocodile. And
No, it's something. They find us up there. They probably mix the meat them. You know.
Well, maybe we can get some Vietnamese cuisine. Come, Island. That's some steam bomb noodles.
Yeah.
Want some noodles?
Yeah, sounds good.
Sounds good to me. So guys, this is our first time trying Vietnamese food, and yeah, so we're just going to try Vietnamese food. Don't ask me what it is. So guys, we've just finished our soup, and Babe's finished. What did you think, Babe?
It was good.
For the first time trying Vietnamese food.
Yeah, it was good.
It was good. It really made my nose run because I asked for fresh chili. So that's our fresh chili, and yeah, we pretty much Island Boy, he had some spring roll but didn't really eat all of it. But anyway, now we're just going to go for a little walk and yeah, make it back to our final destination, which will be going back onto the sky rail, and yeah, we'll see how we go. So join us, guys. I feel like sleeping right now, but tired. It's sweaty, it's hot, it's muggy, but it's still beautiful at the same time. Oh, so that was Vietnamese food we just ate. We're now probably going to try some German sausage, but we're not going to have crocodile emu because we don't do that. The Island family doesn't try exotic foods. True, babe?
True.
True. But who knows, maybe secretly I'll get Babe a crocodile sausage.
It's not gonna happen.
Oh gosh. Alright, let's go.
So just full up a belly, you know, and I explore some more, you know. Beauty and the Beast expert.
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi,
How are you? Yeah, we are. We just we went on the what do you call them? The sky rail.
Yeah.
Sky market.
There's more markets down this side.
Oh yeah, we just had
That's
soup
just-
and yeah, we're in like a forest. Cairns is one of the most oldest and ancient forests in the world.
Wow. Hello.
Oh really?
Morning.
Really?
Wow. And there's more all the way there. Yeah. Wow. And look, if you look down there, it goes all the way there too.
Yeah, we'll go around.
Yeah. Come on, man. Wow.
Japanese tea house. So cute.
Love music, eh?
Downstairs.
Give me that Nimbin vibe for real. Yeah.
Gives us that Nimbin vibe.
Yeah.
Definitely, eh, babe?
Yeah. And the bubble tea.
Island, slow down. Island.
Island.
Island boy. Come here.
High five. Don't you go too far.
Island.
Dad's right here.
Come on. Let's go. Yeah. Come. Oh, so I guess see that. Thank you.
This way, we're going back around. Come on. We've reached the end. The end of the beginning. Go see the lady. Come on. Hey.
How old is he?
He's 2.
Oh, he's
Yeah.
gorgeous.
Oh,
eh?
thank you.
So does he go daycare or something?
No.
Oh, he's
No.
home.
He's home with me. Dad work morning, mummy work night time.
Mama.
Hold him, babe.
Island, come here, hand. Give me hand.
This place is big, man.
Oh, all these cakes and thing. Huge, eh, babe?
Yeah. You're alright, you're alright. Okay. Nice.
Barbie, oh my goodness. Look at that, babe. July the 14th and 16th. Bad man. Kuranda roots. A Ras Ronnie. Seems like a nice little reggae vibe. Yeah. We also have like a strong belief in these things. Look at this, babe.
Island?
Island?
Come, wait.
Jarastafari.
Wait.
Island boy, come here. Yeah, they do, babe. They have like Come here now.
No.
Yes. Look at the dress. The dress. It's a Roots woman dress.
Come.
Come here, Island. Let's go. Island, let's go. I like their hats. Listen, you need to behave. Come here now. Behave yourself, okay? Behave. This way. Oh, beautiful little village, no? Definitely a relaxing vibe. Hmm?
Nice.
Let me up there.
Yeah.
Island, this way. Oh, I feel grass, man. I'm not.
Okay.
You?
Just
like really cool.
yeah. Oh, some reggae. Israelites. Island, come. Every man can be. More reggae on this end. Oh.
Drink the Jamaica drink.
Oh, there's a flag, babe.
They have empanadas.
Oh, nice.
Nice, empanadas. Thank you.
Bless.
Okay,
Of the rest.
so guys, we're gonna get the Rasta. We were gonna go for the Jamaica.
Yeah,
Or we could go for the Guatemala.
that's so cute. Yeah, let's do that.
That's really interesting, I think, for you.
Yeah.
Well, it's a camping thing, isn't it?
It seems
Have to
like
look
it.
into it.
Yeah.
I'm really full. I can't stomach anything else.
Yeah.
It'd be nice to, but we've already eaten. It's just like we're
Yeah.
overdoing it now, yeah?
True.
You reckon?
Yeah, I don't want to force it. Up we go.
Came down this, came up this
Yeah,
way.
yeah. Up we go, Papa.
We better go because that train ride's coming.
Mom,
Yeah?
the dinosaur.
Pick up our champagne.
My dear dinosaur.
Okay, cool. Excellent. Dinosaur. So the reason why I'm saying Craig's falling. What's wrong?
It's pretty like galaxy look. I wonder if it's the same falls like when it was like.
There it goes again. Island, you need to stop. Stop and walk slow. That's 3 times today, Island. Yeah, we could have gone by train, but
Yeah, too expensive.
it is very expensive, guys. There's better things we can do with that kind of dosh they're asking for. This is it. Oh, it's been a pleasure. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's been good.
Hope you all enjoy.
Yep. To the next adventure.
Alright. Thanks for watching.
Give thanks.
Oh, this lady's up here.
Oh, okay, she came. Hi, good. How are you? Oh, where are you? I did that. Yeah, great day. Really good day. After all those photos, where's the booking?
That's important. All right, that's all
That's
good.
it. Thank you. Bye. Cheers. Oh, how cute. Lovely. So many colourful things here, guys. Boarding. Oh, this way. If you didn't know, this place makes some business, no? Business. Busy people. Remember, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the Island family. Let us know where you would like us to go next, or what would you like us to do next. All right.
Hi guys.
Hi guys, we're back here again. We are currently at Millaa Falls.
Yeah.
We just decided to come this 2.5 hour drive just to see what this falls has got. I know that here in Cairns there's a lot of waterfalls, rivers and lakes, but we decided just wanted to visit this one.
Yep.
So we better do this quick because it's gonna rain.
Yeah.
It is sprinkling.
Way out in the outback.
We're out, way.
Yeah. I'll show you the falls.
Wow, that looks so strong.
Oh guys, it's actually,
It's really nice.
it's really pretty.
What do you reckon, Ivan? Looks so nice. It's probably like really crystal blue
Yeah.
or crystal green. Let me take video. Millaa Falls. Island.
Guys has come out of the car. See a chicken. Or as I would say, a rooster, you know? Come. Hey guys, so we haven't shown you the car that we've been driving. But this is it. Nice family car, you know? Very spacious.
Oh my god, babe, it's coming towards me.
You're good, babe. Just relax.
Oh my god, it's coming towards me. Get out of here.
Just relax, babe. Come. Pak, 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 pak.
Oh my god, it's coming towards me.
You must live. Is there a house here or something? Wondering, it must be a local
Can you
that
follow me,
owns it.
babe, please?
Yeah, it's alright, man. That's the waterfall between the trees there.
Quite like a little bit dirt, you know?
This is the second waterfalls, guys.
This is one looks more stronger.
Yeah.
All day, catching.
Yeah, it's quite cold. Yeah. You realize it's raining up there? Roti shack.